Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over kind of what's coming up here, over the next weeks, months, even really out probably into the next year. I thought a good time to give kind of a channel update, channel review, do it as a midweek video. Excuse me. All right, and share it. We got a lot of new subscribers, and I figured it's a good time to do that. All right, so I have my coffee. It is coffee, not bourbon or anything else. I did just get back from a walk, and yeah, it's steamy. I'm sweating. You can see it probably on my shirt as well, but got to try to stay healthy. So anyway, let's talk about the channel and what's going on. All right, we finished up, what I call the Leica summer series, all right, over the weekend. Last video from White House, Ohio. All right, so at least for the time being, that'll be the last stuff, for lack of a better term, the Leica summer series. Now, it doesn't mean we won't go out and, photograph towns and do photo walks or things like that. Not at all what it means. It just means that from that series perspective, at least here for now, I'm done focusing on the Leica Q and that. We're going to spend more time now moving into the Leica SL2 and the 24 to 105 Lumix F4. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So now, beyond that, where are we headed? All right, we're going to go back to one video a week for the most part. All right, it'll be on Saturdays. All right, and my goal is to make sure that they're out by 10 a.m. All right, as we move forward. Every once in a while, I'll throw a midweek video in if there's something that needs to come up. So midweek videos will be kind of like this one: news, updates, all right, information, for lack of a better term. All right, and then the Saturday videos are going to be, for lack of a better term, the adventure videos, going out, whatever I choose to go out and photograph. Now, the next series, for lack of a better term, is going to be called Within 8 Hours, all right, or Within 8 Hours of Home. And the idea here being, we're going to go back to a conversation I had with Brendan Vanson over in Australia. Take where you live, put a dot on it, draw a circle, 8 hours around it, find places within that to photograph. That would be an option, something to do, something to focus on. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to stay within 8 hours of home, and we're going to use still the one camera, one lens setup, all right, for the most part. Now, there'll be some times I want to go do wildlife and things like that where I may take two, but at the end of the day, it really is focused on one camera, one lens. All right, and we're going to, work within that 8 hour circle, all right, here for the foreseeable future, all right, and take videos and make videos, and take images and then share that experience with you. All right, beyond that, I've got South Africa coming up here in October. I'll be going and meeting up with Brendan Vanson over in Cape Town, and we're going to spend, 10 days doing a little bit of landscape photography and then mostly wildlife photography. All right, so that won't be a one camera, one lens setup, but we'll be doing that. All right, and that's really the last crazy adventure or big long adventure I have for this year. The next one of those will be in 2028 when I'll meet up with Brendan over in Inverness, Scotland, and we will be doing 10 days around the 500-mile ring around the Highlands, all right, photographing landscapes and things there. That very well may be a one camera, one lens setup. All right, so those are the two big adventures currently on the schedule. All right, beyond that, what are we going to do? All right, I've got a plan here coming up in the next 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks. Now, in the next new moon phases, is to try to get down into the Smokies, and I want to try to photograph, all right, the Milky Way. All right, so we're trying to work that out again, assuming the weather cooperates and everything else cooperates. Going to try to set that up and try to do that. Don't know if my equipment will work well for it with the changes I've made, but doesn't matter. We're still going to try it. All right, and we're going to see if we can capture that. And beyond that, maybe a couple waterfalls or things like that while we're in the Smokies, but that's it. All right, and then after that, again, it's just everything within that 8 hour circle, whatever we can find and do. So don't want to make a long video. Want it to be short and sweet. Enjoy my coffee because it's just too damn hot, even though the coffee's hot, but yet it's hot outside. So anyway, just want to say, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, help grow the audience. All right. And until we see you again, stay safe.